Hello guys, this is Upendra. The prelims examination of UPSC has concluded on I think 13th of September 2023, and the turn has come to the mains examination. So as you all know that the syllabus of the mains examination is quite different from the previous one because the new paper essay has been added and the optional has been made optional. Okay, so you have to score minimum qualifying marks in optional subject, and essay has been made a what merit based paper. So basically you should be aware of the essay writing and what kind of essay writing should be there, and what is the advantage of writing a good essay, and what are the methods of writing a good essay. So these are the fundamental questions that you must know. uh, you will be thinking that what I am saying about the essay writing, what is the criteria and what is the credibility that you are talking about the essay answer writing. Okay, so essay writing, as far as essay writing is concerned, so let me introduce myself. My name is Upendra, and I had appeared in UPSC Mains examination, and I have scored 146 out of 250 in essay paper. So I can say that probably I have got a good marks in essay writing. So I can guide you, I can suggest you, I can give some areas where you need to focus so that you can write a good essay. So there are some fundamental rules, there are some fundamentals of the essay writing you should be aware of. Okay, so let me explain some criteria, let me explain some methods, let me explain some approach, strategy, or anything you can name it. But my point of concern is how to write a good essay. A simple essay writing is something different from the essay writing in the examination, especially when you are talking about the civil services examination, because when you are writing essay in civil services examination, then it must be opinion based. Basically the ultimate intention of the essay writing is to check the thought process or the opinion of the candidate who are going to be an officer in the coming time. So if you write a good essay which is opinion based, then you will get a good marks, and also you will get a good rank in the final result. So in order to understand the importance of essay, it is very important to know that what is basically key rules, key fundamental rules to write a good essay. First point I would like to highlight that you have to focus upon is to be connected with the newspaper. Whatever happening around you, you must be an you can say but you can say you must be aware of the things that is happening around you. So you have to be connected with the newspaper so that you have a thinking of what a dynamic approach will be there. Because if you have a lots of information, then information will be there, then you will have some more advantage over other candidate, because you will be writing some practical example. Because if any sentence you are writing and it is not showing that you have some different opinion, different kind of approach you have, and different line of thinking you have, then examiner will not be very impressed with you. So it is worth mentioning that you have to be connected with the newspaper. Second one is you have to focus on some issues that are very important. There are some areas where you need to focus upon, like social issues. There are so many subtopics in the social issues, like women, health, child, education. Okay, there are some social issues which are of modern type. Modern type means corruption. Because when we talk about the corruption, then the government is continuously focusing on eradication of the corruption, or to how to eliminate or how to curb the menace of the corruption. So it is very one of the important thing that you have to note, you have to take care of. Okay, so social issues, you have to be mastering in social issues, because if you are not aware of the things that is happening around you, especially in the social sector, social issues, then how will you write a good essay? So it is very important to write some social issues areas in a different way, and for that you have to focus some areas like education, women, health, child, okay, poverty, unemployment. So these are the you can say these are the, you can say, circumference of the topics, है ना, जिससे माला होता है ना, मतलों की माला एक होते हैं, तो ये इस तरह से चीज़ें होती हैं, ठीक है। लास्ट वन इज यू हैव टू writing and writing, and you not have to only write, you have to also make some, you can say, a format, kind of format, you can say structuring. I generally name it structuring of the essay. Whatever you are going to write in the next 2 hours, 3 hours, so you must have some plan in your mind, okay. So if you are writing an essay, because you know that you have to write 3 essays, 3 essays will be there, and there will be 3 to 4 options. You have to choose one option out of 3 essays, okay, and you have to write. So one essay generally will have 1 hour time, and our time will be for one essay. So basically you have to write, you have to finish an essay in an hour, okay. So what you have to do, you have to structure the essay that what you are going to write in next 45 or 50 or 50 minutes, because you will have one hour, okay. And before writing an essay, or before starting to write an essay, you have to make structure that what you are actually going to write, okay. So for the 10 to 15 minutes, what you have to do, you have to just make some plan, just make two structure. So structuring is very important part of writing a good essay. So you have to write some structure, you have to prepare, you have to sketch, you have to draft a structure, then what you are going to write structure, sorry, essay in the next 40 to 50 minutes. If you are able to manage to write it in a 10 minutes, then it's very good, and it will come in your mind when you do more and more practice. It will definitely come. So you have to write it in 10 to 15 minutes. You have to make you can say structure, you have to just draw, you have to prepare the structure in 10 to 15 minutes, and then next 40 to 50 minutes you have to write the essay, because you will not deviate yourself when you have finished or when you have made already a structure. So now you will be understanding the importance of making structure before writing an essay, okay. So I hope this session was useful for you, and regularly I will be coming and I will be speaking about the how to write a good essay. So for today, it was for today. Meet you in the next one.